Hello everybody and welcome to my day as a junior in industrial engineering. My schedule varies based on the day. Since today is Tuesday, I had to wake up at 8:10 a.m. to get ready for my classes. After my first class, I head to work at the Minority and Engineering program. So here you get a look at the friendly office staff. And then I go into the Academic Success Center, which is a great place for students to study and socialize. Normally it's crowded, but it's the morning, so it's to be expected. Here we offer tutoring and collaboration space, along with guest speakers and company visits. Once I finish my classes for the day, I head over to my NSBE Boeing flying competition. NSBE stands for the National Society of Black Engineers, and we are actually the mother chapter of the whole organization. Here you see us preparing for our conference in March. Quick lunch break. And then I do some quick studying for my circuit fundamentals class. Some study habits that I decided to pick up is making sure that I'm looking over my notes after class, making sure my notes line up with the professor, and making sure that I can redo the problems that were done during lecture. I promise there is a life outside of engineering. Purdue does a great job in providing a multitude of student organizations. I believe there's over 100 in the university alone. Personally, I'm a part of NACWC.
Okay guys, what do you like about Purdue, Pauline?
What I like about Purdue is that the social life is very inclusive as well as just fun in general. Yeah.
All right. What do you like about Purdue, Victoria?
For me, I feel like the professors really want you to learn, and they're incredibly knowledgeable in all the subjects that they teach in.
Okay. And John, what do you like about Purdue?
Usually people come here thinking it's just an engineering school, but I can tell you there's opportunities for anyone going into any career, but mostly engineering. But if you want to study something, you're going to get it here.
Hi, thank you for listening to my day in the life as a junior in industrial engineering. I decided to go to Purdue not only because of the beautiful campus, but also because of the amazing education. Purdue hires faculty and professors that are at the top of their field, and some of them have even written the textbooks that are taught in class. Not only that, but Purdue is renowned for their engineering program and how they teach fundamentals. They get you to think a certain way, and don't be discouraged because though you may not think that way in the beginning, you will learn how to think that way and you will learn how to enjoy it. You got this.